Today, I will cover the Watcher Watermark feature in CaseGuard. The Watermark feature in the Watcher applies a previously saved watermark to all files in the Watch folder. Watermarking is useful for protecting information in documents. Applying watermarks in places where people cannot easily Photoshop a document will help protect it from being stolen or used without permission. With your Watcher named, folder locations chosen, and operation dropdown set to Redact Document, click the Add button. The Redact Document operation checklist will appear. Check the Add Watermark checkbox. A drop-down will appear. Select the previously made watermark to use on your files. Now click Apply and then Save. The Watcher should now appear in your Watcher panel. As you can see here, 0 files are recognized to be in our Watch folder, so let's add some. If we open both the Watch and Output folders side by side, we can see the flow of the process. I will go ahead and copy 3 files from a different folder and paste them into the Watch folder. Now you can see the Watcher recognizes there are 3 files to process and begins processing them. The original files are moved to the Processed folder. Files added to the Watch folder are processed and exported to the Output folder. Now if we open the exported files in the Output folder, we can see the watermark was applied to all the files. Hope this helps.